In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Odoo password. Losing access to your account can be quite unsettling, but thankfully, resetting your password in Odoo is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together so you can regain access quickly and securely. First, you will need to navigate to your Odoo login page. This is typically where you would enter your username and existing password to access your account. You can usually find this page at a web address like this: https://yourdomain.com web login. Make sure you visit the correct URL specific to your organization, as this is where you'll initiate the password reset process. Once you're there, look for the option that says Forgot Password. It's usually located right below the fields where you'd normally input your login credentials. Go ahead and click on that link. What this does is prompt the system to assist you in resetting your password. Now, you'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your Odoo account. It's crucial to ensure that the email is entered correctly, as this is where Odoo will send the password reset link. Take a moment to double-check the spelling of your email to avoid any needlessly complicated problems down the line. Once you're sure that the email is correct, click the Submit button. At this point, Odoo's system will swing into action by sending you an email with a link that allows you to reset your password. Typically, this email should appear in your inbox within a few minutes, but be mindful of a tiny delay that can sometimes happen depending on your email service. Once you've received the email, open it and click on the Change Password link provided. This step will take you back to the Odoo site, where you'll have the opportunity to set a new password. Choose something secure that combines letters, numbers, and special characters if possible, to bolster your account's security. Finally, after you have successfully set your new password, you'll be logged out of the current password reset process. Go ahead and log back into your Odoo account using your new password to confirm everything is working properly. Should you encounter any hiccups, like not receiving the password reset email, it's a good idea to check your spam or junk folder. These kinds of automated emails can sometimes end up there. If it still doesn't show up, you may want to verify your email configuration settings to ensure there are no issues with outgoing mail. By following these instructions, you should be back into your Odoo account in no time. Whether it's for business or personal use, having quick access to your tools is crucial. And now that you know how to reset your password, hopefully any login troubles will be a thing of the past. Thanks for watching, and happy logging in.